Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too could be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Also, do not miss out on the $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win $100. Use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, let's get started. I'm doing a recap for my fellow apes. This is a Gambling Apes video that I gotta do because, man, I got like over 2,000 new subscribers. I don't think they know what's up with these NFTs. And you guys know that I constantly see, when I see a project mentioning NFTs, I'm really big on that because I know that's going to be what's going on for 2022. Considering Facebook switching their name from Facebook to Meta, there's going to be a lot of things coming with these VR and AR technology that we got moving forward, okay? You guys know, if you guys been tapped in with me, make sure you got that bell notification. Make sure you guys are subscribed. I get a lot of exclusive updates. I went to the Gambling Apes event in Las Vegas. It was epic. So shout out to all the apes that were there and were there for the poker tournament and the blackjack tournament, okay? Also, I just want to say about these NFTs, you know, this is a use case NFT. So we have, you know, already got the parcels bought up and everything like that. But this video is almost a congratulation video to all the apes that have been diamond holding all these apes for this time, because the markets were going down and up, and that's why you this longevity. Let's take a look at these apes while you know, I'm over here telling you guys what's going on, because I mean, they just look amazing. You guys know that these apes, I mean, check them out. And right now, those diamond hand holders, check out the floor price right now. They sold out in 7 minutes. Okay, all these apes sold out. 7,777 apes were sold out very, very quickly, okay? And what we want to do right here is just check out these apes. Right now, the floor price. So this is the floor price. The cheapest ape right now is going. Let's see what's going on. Okay, there we go. All right, it's loading slow, but it's loading. We got it. It's loading. Okay, almost there. We got the floor price almost there. I want to click again, but we're just gonna wait. We'll all be tempted to click, right? All right. That's it. We're tempted to click again. All right, so the floor price right now is about half a Ethereum. We know what the price of ETH is at right now. ETH is doing numbers, and right now the markets are recovering. You know, we're doing big things. So right now we got the price of Ethereum at 4,200. So they're going for about half a ETH. So about $2,100 for one of these apes, and the price was fluctuating up and down. Those who are diamond hand holding, thank you guys for staying tuned too. There we go. Everything's going a lot better right now. So these are the last ones that were traded. They're being traded nonstop. We got one traded 17 minutes ago for 2,100. An hour ago for 2,100. So we found a new floor price. This one was 2,400. So the price is starting to pick up kind of crazy. I could see us maybe starting to go up to this 1 ETH per ape. That'd be so nice right now. But look at how the price dropped, and that's why these diamond hands, that's the name of the game when it comes to the crypto space. You really want to believe in one of the projects that you're rocking with, and you want to do your due diligence. So like that, you don't get shooken out these markets and potentially lose your spot on one of these apes. These people who sold these apes down here for the cheap, man, they're going to be stressing when they see these apes. These apes, the quality of these apes and the use case behind them, they're not going nowhere. The price is only going to keep going up. I want you guys to go get tapped in. This is just a short video bringing some awareness to my fellow apes, letting everybody know. I want you guys to see that diamond hands pays off. Do not let go of your apes. Do not get shooken out. We got the Gambling Apes. We have the casino. We have already a lot of betting going on. Make sure you guys get tapped in with them on the Discord. I'm going to be up in the Discord after I drop this video. I just want to get some awareness that the Gambling Apes are creeping up. So I got a lot of new subscribers. If you guys are interested in the Gambling Apes, leave some comments down below. If you guys are fellow apes, you guys subscribe to the channel, leave some comments below. Let me know that you guys are fellow apes and stuff. Also, don't miss out on the money bag alerts. That gets you the course half off. The $300 fire sale, that's gone. All 3 courses were sold for that $300 fire sale. So the course is back at half off if you get the money bag alert. So we're back at that. But with that being said, we got these Gambling Apes. I want you guys to check it out. Leave some comments down below if these Gambling Apes is something you're interested in. Are you already a gambling ape? Are you a fellow ape of mine? And were you at the Vegas event? Are you gonna be going to the you know, did you do the Miami event? I know they had the New York one as well. So let me know how deep are you with the gambling apes and what's up, man? So this is just a video on some awareness. Make sure you guys don't get shooken out of your spots, and also a video on some awareness to all my new subscribers. Do not miss out on this NFT project right here. This is going to be big, okay? So with that being said, you guys know what's coming. Continue to come back, experience the abundance of money with me. Till next time, later.